everyone! Renee Ravenblood here. I thought I'd do something different today besides make Miku videos. I decided to play a game. It's called Jade Wolf. And I really don't know much about it, really, so we're going to begin. Get my mouse out of the way. Let's see, controls. Run, left, right, talk is up, roll or crouch is down, spacebar is to jump. Okay. Oh, hold on. Back in your mouse. Okay. Grand Wolf. The Red Wolves have asked for our help. The standing apes have returned to their kingdom. Find 12 jade ornaments and use their powers to send the standing apes back to the ancient city from whence they came. Okay, so we have to get rid of some apes. And, collect these little ball things. And whatever that's in the corner there. Looks like a statue, but it looks like a weird statue of Buddha. But I don't really know. Yay! Okay. Get this ball. Come on. Okay, up, left, right, left or right with the arrow keys, then hold the down arrow button, arrow key to roll. It can defeat enemies and smash walls. Try it or over there. Okay? Whee! Ooh, I smashed down a wall. I'm strong. I'm so strong. Okay? I hear that there are 2 statues in each section of the Red Wolf land. Good luck. Whee! I fell. Let's see what this one has to say. He is learning to roll. Yeah, go, go. Just like a hedgehog. Looks like the hedgehog. Collect these. Talk to this wolf. I do so love the bird song. Do you know how it goes? I wish I could play it. Okay? Now let's go this way. Go up. Talk to this wolf. I know there's still a statue, or sort of. These are the statues you still need to find. What? That? Why didn't I get the statues myself if I knew where they were? 'Cause I'm one lazy wolf. Come see me whenever you like to check your progress. Ooh. Okay. How do I don't know how to. It should on the map. There's some this way. There are many types of mana, and they all do different things. I hear that if you can find 100 mana, something good will happen. Anyway, behind me are the attic ruins. So, are you the white wolf? What? That is helping us to find the magical jade ornaments, huh? You'll have to explore through, I bet some of those things are hard to spot in the long grass. Oh, yay! Grass. Okay, sorry. I was talking to somebody on my phone. Anyway, okay. If you guys want to read that, you can. Whee! I'm flying! Oh, how do I get up there? Whoops. I'm just a sleeping dog. And I don't feel like reading right now. Oops, don't want that. Okay, jump. That. Jump. What's that you? Mine! 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 Yay! I found a statue. Whee! Whoa! Big huge ring of death. Okay. Run, run, run like Sonic the Hedgehog! Run, 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 run. What was those things? Okay. You guys can read that if you want. Pause and read it. Jump. Jump. I'm jumping. I fly like a bird. What the hell? What are those things? Die! On my face. Orb. Come here, Orb. Come here. Come here. Come here, my friend. My friends. My orbs are my friends. Yay. Okay, I guess I head this way now. Oop, 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 oop. Orb, orb, orb. Come here, Orby. Come here, Orby. You're my friend. Woo! Orby. Yup. Whee! I fell. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't get me. I'm a fast wolf man. Sorry about that, guys. I had to make a little joke. This is my first time ever doing a video like this, but other times I'm usually working on my Miku Miku dance videos. So I thought I'd change it up a bit to see how it goes. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Whee! Oh, you missed. How could you miss? You missed it. Okay, come on. Get up there. Good donkey. Run, 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 run. Monkeys! Or whatever they are. I'm guessing they're supposed to be like grim monkeys. Roll! Oh, 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 oh. Warp. Warby. And then Warby. Run, run, run! Whoops! Missed the orbs. Come on. Come on, Warby. Come on, you're my friend. Get these ones. Oh, come on. Get up there. There we go. What the hell? Whoa! I'm falling! Oh, I did die! Yay! Oh. Man, come on. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do it. Okay. Oh wait, I can crash into that. What's in here? Wow, pretty. Nope, no, not fair. Okay. Whee! Smash. Jump. 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 Whee! Ow. That hurts. Whee! Other way. Oops. Got the roll. Go back. Roll. Whee! I don't know what that was for. Oh, cool. Oh, I found a secret. Yay! I found secrets. Secrets. I have secrets. Secrets are my friends. Okay, let's see there. Oh, orb! Orb. Orb. No, I don't want to go back in there. I want the orb. Okay. Oops. He's a monkey. Die. Not be the orb. Oh, I get it. They heal me. Jump. Ooh, that was close. Jump. Okay, so go this way. Whoa, mama, zoo! I die. Ooh, that was cool. Got it. Get up there. Oh, come on. Stupid wolf. Even though you're pretty puppy, you can be pretty stupid. Come on. There we go. That's a good boy. Or girl. Get up there. Get a head start. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can catch me, I'm the Wolfman. Run, 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 run. Dive. Run, run, run. Oops, what am I doing? Get up there. Jump. Jump. Okay. Now I gotta be really careful here. Hello, bug. Hello, bug. You my friend? You're my friend. Bug, my friend. Oops. Get up there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yay, what's this? What's this do? What's this do? Who are you? I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. I have to go. Bye bye. Bye-bye. 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 Okay guys, I'm gonna stop it here. I hope y'all enjoyed the little video I did. And please comment and subscribe and see if you want me to make any more videos like this. Bye bye!